Some stuff that I've been playing around with. Okay. Anyway, I've been playing around with this. I like to operate from side control a lot. You know, I'm always trying to attack arms, the neck, this arm, Kimuras, whatever. So I recently started thinking about other things, like this in particular. So here, staying heavy and literally like just helicoptering. Making a big jump or a big play after his leg. You're here. Okay. Get your handles secure and you're just. You see what I mean? Boom. Grab it and go. If you bend it, that's okay. If you were to bend it, into it,